Hey everybody, I am selling this 2004 Audi A4 Cabriolet. It is, like I said, a 2004 model. It has 115,000 miles on the odometer. About a month ago, I did an engine swap on this car, and it has a new engine with 90,000 miles on it. In fact, that is the old engine right there that came out of the car. The car's in really good shape, and besides the engine swap, the other things I've done to it include a new CV shaft, new motor mount, spark plugs. The interior overall is in good condition. The passenger seat did have a rip in it, and I bought some material and reupholstered a portion of the passenger seat. Top doesn't leak, it's in really good shape. I've been driving the car a little bit over the past few weeks, and best I can tell, everything on it seems to be working like it's supposed to. Some upgrades I've done to the car include new rims. The previous rims had some curb damage. This is them right there, and you can see the curb rash here, curb rash on that wheel, and same on the other wheels. This wheel right here, you can see it's quite a bit worse. And so I upgraded the wheels to a 17-inch aluminum alloy wheel. There's no dash lights or anything. Everything on the car seems to be working as it should. There's a Pioneer aftermarket stereo installed in the car. I have 2 sets of keys for the car. This car has the 1.8 turbo 4-cylinder engine. I believe it makes about 170 horsepower. Plenty of power. Transmission seems to shift good. Car rides very well. Since the motor swap on the car, I have driven it a couple miles. Let's see here, I'll tell you. I've driven it about 385 miles so far, and just keep putting miles on it, just looking for anything that might be weird or whatever, and so far none. The car seems to run like a top. So what's the temperature? Can you read it on the dash? 51 degrees. Well, that's not too terribly cold, but it's plenty chilly anyway. But you can see that had to drive with the top down, but somebody wanted to be cool. If you're interested in the car, would like to take it for a test drive, check it out. It's definitely ready for the summer. Give me a call. You can get me at 252-617-1849.